Ni.
Kawei Friday. Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Entah dia kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong, balak khai miah ke por sok plum. Entah dia sekah cung miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka Jingïakynad. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Bentaga step jong ka singit hot ding lapin Kiew ya ka do jong ka petrol bat diesel da light ka shilitar. Ka daw ka day ka jing sedang kerdu umpanyang namar ka Jingïakynad ha West Asia. Ka jing pin Kiew dor kan trikam ha Baroh Kawei kari. Ha Delhi lapin Kiew dor ya ka petrol da light ka khat sauna ya, bat menta ka dor ha Delhi ka day khandai punyau tingka nyau punyau naya shilitar. Karkum ki kubor bala penmi da kila patai kubor ha Delhi, ka pen I baha kani ka jilla Meghalaya, ka dor jong ka petrol kan Kiew da artingka ndru pau naya, ka bamut ba ka dor jong ka petrol menta ha Meghalaya, kan day khandai pu pratingka prapun riu naya.
Gue nama berapa? Nama apa ya?
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.